Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group, and today is Friday, June 6, 2025. And as has been the recent trend, lots going on today. Yesterday we saw the bromance between President Trump and Elon Musk kind of deteriorate and really fall apart. That was brought down Tesla stock by 15% or so. There's a lot, I don't know how much that really means in terms of the legislation and like that, but it made the headlines and also affected Tesla stock. Now, Tesla stock is rebounding today. I'm doing this early afternoon. I've been traveling and going to put this out, but the Tesla stock did rebound and the markets are up big. Partially because of the strong employment data this morning from the month of May. 139,000 jobs were estimated to be created versus an estimate or forecast of 126,000. Job openings are the lowest since 2021. The unemployment rate stayed steady at 4.2 and still below the historical average. On the interest rate front, I want to point out a couple of things. There's been a lot of interest rate cuts, just none in the U.S., and I don't think Jerome Powell is going to do it very soon, especially with this employment data coming out strong, and the economy seems to be picking up as well. We saw some decent numbers. GDP estimates are going up for the second quarter, although part of that may be just a one-time benefit of less imports because of tariffs. But that's another topic and could be a very detailed discussion. So we're going to leave it at that. But the ECB, a European Central Bank, cut rates. That's the 8th time in the last year. India, cut rates, 3rd time this year. Denmark, the 8th time they cut rates, 8th time in the past 12 months. And Russia, for the first time since 2022, cut rates. So again, the markets, stock market, bond market, behaving pretty well. One thing I pointed out is that earlier in the week I mentioned Lululemon as being one of the bellwethers reporting this week, and the stock's down 20% today. They did okay on the earnings, but their guidance going forward was a lot lower, so the stock's getting punished. So a lot of moving parts across the headlines, the economy, the country, and the markets. Enjoy the weekend. I'll be back on Monday. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.